let's make Auntie Jack some chicken piccata.
Let's do it.
And she's lucky because like we have everything. Like I had everything ready here. I was gonna make it for dinner anyway tonight. So
magic.
Yeah, magic. Last time we were here, we pounded out and butterflied the chicken breast.
Yep.
So I already took care of that.
Okay.
So that's all you need. There's 2 chicken breasts, kind of cutlets again, pounded out. We have flour.
Okay.
You can season it. You don't have to season it. It's just flour.
Just flour.
Salt, pepper. Capers. I prepared some mushrooms, but you can put the mushrooms in raw.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Broth, wine, and I like putting sage in mine.
Ooh, that's what I was wondering what that was.
Yeah, sage is the best. I put sage in everything. Honestly, I think one of the easiest dishes you can make.
Really? Because it seems intimidating.
And you'll impress the heck out of everybody. Like this is something you can impress. Like, oh my god, so delicious, blah, blah, blah.
Come over for dinner. We're having chicken piccata.
It's so easy. Oil. Let's put some, I use avocado oil.
Okay.
You can use whatever oil. I like avocado oil in your frying pan. Give it a couple good glugs in there. Not too crazy, but it's a little drop more. Okay, that's good. Instead of getting our fingers, I mean, if you want to get in there, we'll just grab chicken. This is unseasoned flour, okay? You can season the flour, salt, pepper, whatever, blah, blah, blah. We're going to season the chicken as we cook it.
Okay.
So you really don't have to. See how easy that is?
It's easy enough. I can do that.
There, chicken's ready.
Pay attention, Auntie Jack.
Super easy, Auntie Jack.
We should have invited Auntie Jack.
We should have invited Auntie Jack. We should have.
Hi, Auntie Jack.
Butter.
Okay. Just oil.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, at the end, we'll put a little bit of butter in. Make the sauce nice. Okay, now before we put this chicken in the frying pan, why don't you pluck a whole bunch of sage off there? Like 6, 7, 8 leaves. Just pluck them off.
Pluck them in?
Yeah, throw them in the pan.
Pluck and toss.
We'll put like 3 or 4 pieces of sage under each chicken breast, okay?
You don't want to put 6 or 7?
We do 6, 7 chicken breast. I mean, sage. We want to do...
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 7.
Okay. So now, Trish, you're going to take chicken breast. Yeah. Lift it up.
Okay.
Yeah. Give it a little shake. You can give it a little tap, like spank it. Yeah.
Shake it off.
There we go.
Shake it off.
And move that sage.
Okay.
Now plop it just on top of some sage. Now there you go.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
And do it with all of them?
Yeah.
Shake it off.
Shake it off. More piece of sage. Find some sage. There you go. And you want to you want to, when you're frying, you want to lay it away from you, not towards you, otherwise it might splash on you. Okay. So, but you're doing it right. Yeah. So place like you want to go that way. The opposite of what you did.
Oh,
but that's okay.
Right. That's how I cook. The opposite
of what you're supposed to do. Yeah. Put the bottom down first.
Like that?
No, the other way. But that's okay. That way. Okay, now see how it's looking a little bit dry?
Starting at you and then move away from yourself.
Sorry. Maybe it's probably my fault not explaining right.
Okay.
Just a little bit dry, the pan. Let's add just a little bit more oil because we don't want the flour to burn. Let's do a little salt and pepper now.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
I remember how to do this.
Salt and pepper.
Use all your fingers.
Yeah.
And you go whoosh.
Yeah. Just get it on the chicken this time.
Whoosh.
There we go. Okay, now some pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Poof.
Yeah. Oh. Just got to spread it out a bit.
It's a little uneven, but I mean, what if someone really likes it?
Pepper, right?
Yeah.
So you see how you kind of like
put it all.
It's all in one kind of spot there. I'm just gonna grab this other chicken breast and just rub it on it. There you go. Smear it around. It's not the end of the world.
Easy.
Cooking is just, there's no right or wrong way of doing it. You just got to figure it out. There's always system D. That's where you correct your mistakes on the fly.
I think anyone who laughs at me off camera needs to leave the set.
Now this is gonna happen. This is happening fast, by the way. Like this is a quick dish. Okay.
It looks like it's halfway there. To be honest,
like it's.
I would think that this was a really hard dish to make.
No, it's
because I've only had this at restaurants.
So see what I just did there? Everything was kind of. I spaced everything. I gave everything its own space because if you crowd the food, it'll steam. We want this to pan fry and get nice and crispy. Okay.
Oh, so then it'll be mushy.
It'll just be. We're not trying to steam it. We're trying to pan fry it and get it crispy. So if it was together, it kind of steams and kind of gets.
Oh.
Yeah, it kind of gets mushy. Like the flour you put on there gets a little bit mushy.
I would have never thought that. Science.
I'm gonna throw at this point. We're gonna throw some capers in here.
I'm gonna wash my hands with chicken.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna throw a couple capers in here, get them going. You're gonna flip these.
Okay.
Like this, watch. So you just grab it on the corner, Oh, look how golden brown that is.
Oh, that looks so good.
And we're cooking on medium heat right now.
Okay.
Nice color on it. Let's see this guy.
They feel like they're really getting crispy.
Yeah. Okay, so again, watch out. Okay, with salt, I like the salt high. See how when you salt, it almost rains. See how it's spreading out nice and even?
Oh, like on the actual chicken instead
on the
of
actual chicken
in the pan.
That's okay. And then with pepper, because it's lighter, the heat will kind of blow it away. I go a little bit closer. And I hit every little spot there.
Okay.
But you can go and throw thyme in here, oregano, blah blah blah. Let's just keep it nice, salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Sage.
Simple.
Do you like mushrooms?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can
as long as they're not the poisonous kind.
These are not the poisonous kind.
Okay.
Not the poisonous kind. No psychedelics for today. So I prepared these, but these could be like these are just mushrooms that I had sauteed.
Okay. So you just put them in saute them in like olive oil.
Yeah, some butter and some salt, pepper, oregano, whatever. You can throw just sliced mushrooms in here raw, and they'll cook fast, right? But we'll just put a few of these prepared mushrooms, just like a couple. I don't want to go crazy with them. And again, this is I don't know if this is like the recipe. Like I don't know if this is like in the textbook. This is how I make it.
This is okay.
And I think it's always turned out really well. And people are super happy. And like we're pretty much so it's pretty much already done. Like
that's amazing.
I
thought it would be a really intricate.
See this right here?
Hard thing to make.
See that right there?
Yeah.
That's the protein like coming out of the chicken. Like that means the chicken's on the inside is getting hot.
Oh.
Let's throw in some white wine. Yeah, chase it. It's good. It's good white wine too.
There are notes of
wine.
Got my germs in this.
That's okay. You're gonna cook it off anyways. The alcohol, the germs, everything's gonna cook off. Just the whole thing in there. We're cooking on gas. I put the heat low. If this was on high, and oil was hot and everything, and you did that, so it's just good to turn down the heat. Do your wine thing.
The alcohol.
Yeah, we don't want to burn anybody's houses down.
Okay.
You can even just take it off heat. Alcohol goes in, and then you can go back on the heat. Okay. Just to be safe.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's let this alcohol cook a bit. And do you feel comfortable cutting that lemon?
Sure.
Do you want to just, you know what we'll do? Cut it in half.
Okay.
This way?
This?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah. Go half. Okay.
There we go.
Now, cut it in half. Cut it in half again. It's a big lemon.
Way?
Yeah, cut it right in half. There. Okay. See how it's reduced now?
Yeah.
It's just kind of like, the wine's kind of gone. Doesn't smell like booze. It doesn't smell boozy.
Yeah.
Let's go and add some broth in here.
Okay.
That's just some chicken stock.
Chicken stock.
Yep.
Yeah. There we go.
And let's take a lemon and squeeze all the juice in there. The whole thing in there too. Get the flavor, like the oils out of the skin and everything.
Squeeze and drop.
I think that lemon is pretty big.
Yeah.
That's as much lemon as any.
There we go.
But like it's all the taste, right? If you want it really tart and lemony,
then you would add more. Okay.
But you can do it after. And then we just need one more thing. Butter.
Butter.
And let's put a couple tablespoons in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Ready?
Ready.
See how it's like kind of, it's watery, right? Not watery, but it's like still loose.
Yeah.
And we're just reducing it.
Yes.
Let's go for a little bit longer. Okay.
Okay. And
drop those in there.
Just drop it in?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I thought it was going to be a big splash.
Yeah.
I was like, wait.
Just drop it.
I need to be more careful about my wording. Yeah.
Cannonball.
Yeah. That's bam. That's it.
There we go.
Look at that.
Butter. Oh, it looks so pretty.
Look at that.
Butter. That looks beautiful. Chicken piccata. Who knew? You can make it at home.
It's pretty. It's as basic as it gets.
Yeah, and it seems so fancy for something that is fairly basic. I think the sage is a big surprise, though. I would never know to use sage.
I don't know if honestly, that's just how I do it. That's how I've always done it with the sage.
Yeah.
Is it right or wrong? I don't know. Like I don't think anything's right or wrong in cooking. But it's like my favorite herb to use. And I use it with fish. It smell that like it's like
it's really aromatic.
Chicken's ready. This is my spatula now.
Oh, cool.
Like see that how it right? Here, watch. Just grab a hold of that lemon.
I don't even know if I've ever cooked with a lemon wedge.
Yeah, and I just use it as kind of a spatula.
Oh,
isn't that cool?
This is really cool. The more you know.
And that's a really good sauce. Look at that. So a lot of people will put cornstarch water slurry.
Yeah.
Will thicken it and this and that. But if you just wait, if you just use thyme,
yeah,
it'll create this. Like, look at that. Well, because like the chicken did have flour on it.
Oh, right.
So
Okay,
I guess
you get that.
pan frying the chicken in the oil makes a roux. It's making the base, but you don't need to add more.
You don't have to add more. It'll just. Oh, that's good to know.
Okay, let's plate this. Watch this.
That's it.
That's it. That's it.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe it's ready.
I'm missing one thing. Something that I love.
Okay.
And that we probably put on everything in all our videos. It's like extra virgin olive oil.
Oh.
I just think a good glug of extra virgin olive oil just makes the sauce. Try it out.
Everything
get a little bit of sage on there too. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Grab a little. Well, you'll be surprised at how like delicious the sage is. Wow, I got real quiet in here.
I'll be right back. You're good with the baby for the rest of the night, right?
Yeah. Trish, where are you going? We have to
see ya.
Trish, we still have to take stills.